Just a quick upload for you guys. Something that I kind of figured out on my own and through a couple forums is like I had a lot of weird squeaking and I couldn't really figure it out what it was, and so I started investigating the tailgate. And basically when I would go kind of go like this, bounce the rear end on the top part of the tailgate, I had noticed that I had a squeak. And then so I brought out the can of WD-40 and I pretty much just sprayed here, this bottom joint here, and into here. And just remember that this truck only has 12,000 kilometers on it, but with that the squeak completely stopped. So if any of you guys have that same kind of noise that you can't really figure out and it's coming from the rear end, 9 times out of 10 it's going to be the tailgate itself. So just, yeah, pretty much grease that up and then you should be good to go.